I'm a huge fan of the Active brand and all of their cleaning products. I own many of them. Thank you to Active for sending me this sample of their new appliance wipes. And I have not used them yet. These are brand new, still closed and sealed. So I am going to clean multiple appliances in my kitchen on camera, and let's see if they work. I also have questions that I saw in the question section, and a little bit of complaints in the comments. We're going to do it all. We're going to see how they work. I've got my stove. I've got my dishwasher. I've got my fridge. Let's clean them and see how they go. So let's open them up. All I think about is baby wipes from my kids were little. So they feel a lot like baby wipes, but definitely some texture to them. So let's go over, we'll go over to the fridge and clean that first. I'm trying to get an angle so that you can see actually how disgusting and dirty it is, because it's kind of hard. But man, that bad boy is gross. Ooh, that's a pretty good one. See how gross that is right there? Yeah, I think you can see that. All right, let's try her out here. Mainly, I live in Arizona, so we have really hard water. What most of this is the hard water dripping from the water dispenser up above. So far, I really like this. I can tell already. I like the texture that is on the wipe because it like gets all the crud off. And I know one of the questions was, is it really streak free? So far, yes. We're going to let it dry and see. And we're going to go up above here by the water dispenser. Can you see that? I'm trying to show it to you. Move my head out of the way. See how gross that is? So let's try this too while the other part dries. We'll test the streak freeness. Oh man, if it can get the hard water stains, look at the streakiness down below now that it's dry. Good. But I don't know, I don't see any streaks. I think that's pretty dang good. Like everything else that Active does a great job. All right, let's head over to the dishwasher. We'll try that. I think you can see like the dirty spots through here. So again, that texture that's on the wipe, so much better than a baby wipe. Oh yeah, look at all that gunk on the bottom. Gross. All right, let's look for streakiness. I don't see any streakiness. And now we're going to take on the worst one in my kitchen, and that is my stove. One of the questions I saw was, can you use it like on a glass top stove? I don't have a glass top stove. I have a gas stove, but I do have glass doors. So we're going to see. I guess we're testing it out on my glass doors. So I have a double oven. I think you can see how disgusting that door is. Dusty and dirty and drippy, and the glass, nasty. Oh yeah, that's a good shot right there. You can see how gross the glass is. That's a good angle with it being backlit. All right, so we're gonna just do this bottom door so that we can see a little bit of before and after. Here's the bottom door. All right. Nice. No edits. Just cleaning. Ugh, right? What I would do is wipe these down and then grab a microfiber and then just buff it a little bit if you were worried about streaks. But I mean, I give that like a 99% streak free shine on there. These are awesome.